Let's get started. Hey people, Aaron Smith here. Fleetwood Mac song, Go Your Own Way. Good song. So it starts out like this. Your bass, two Fs, and then your two fingers. So something like this. You'll be loving you isn't the right thing down to C. Do B flat. How can I ever change the things I'd like to feel? If I could, baby, I'd give you my world. See, how can I when you won't take it from me? Just like that. Okay, I'll do it again. You gotta get just the feel of this. Just got a good rhythm. So it's loving you isn't the right thing to do. Down to C, B flat. How can I ever change the way I feel? Come back up to F. I'm doing my fingers, just doing like that. If I could, baby, I'd give you my world. How can I when you won't take it from me? Okay, there's that part. Pretty simple. Take it from me, and then it goes. You could go your own way. You could call it understand. You could go your own way. Go your own way. Back to that. Back to that again. So we'll do that. We'll do the chorus part. So it goes, you're here, and then it goes up to the D minor. You go B flat, and then it builds up. Whoops. You could call it another sound. You could go your own way. Go your own way. Well, you gotta excuse my singing on that chorus. So it's you're here. See how I did that? You're here. Down. D minor. You could go your own way. You could call it another sound. You could go your own way. Back to that again. What's the second verse? Goes yeah. Tell me why everything's turned around. Packing up, shacking up's all you want to do. If I could, baby, I'd give you my world. Open up, everything's waiting for you. Then back to the chorus. You could go your own way. You could call it another sound. Go your own way. So there's those parts. Now it comes in so you're here. It comes in with a little bit of lead here. Go teach you that one. So you're here, and the lead goes D, B minor, B flat, I mean, and then so I went to that. A little tricky. The chorus. You could go your own way. You could call it understand. You could go your own way. So there's those parts. Okay, and then I think it repeats it again, goes over it again, so you're going, so you're here. Dun, dun, you could go your own way. You could call it understand. You could go your own way. And then there's the lead. Goes to high F, even though you don't say it. High F. High G. So your lead notes are, you're only playing all white notes. The lead notes are F, G, A, C, and D. That's all it is. F, G, A, C, and D. And then it repeats it. F, C, F, G, A, C, D. So you're here. So you're here. And then you're actually doing the chorus. So you're going and then you come in that lead. At the end, you're coming in with that. You go, I'm doing that D minor. And then I'll play D minor here, because the lead. And then I'd switch to the D minor. And then I just do. Might not be exactly right because he bends the notes and everything, so you're going to get that effect on the piano. But it will work. It will work on here. And so you're just, you're doing so you started here with the D minor. See, I went to A. I mean G. There's A. And then go to C. Then you come out that high F, even though you don't see it's F. And G. just play with it. You just keep on going. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. Remember your lead? Your lead is F, G, A, C, D. Then it repeats it while you're playing this. So you just do all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. And like I said, it ain't gonna sound just like it because he bends the notes. He bends the notes. So you're on the chorus. Let's say you're here. You could go your way. You could call it get the idea. It's just like that. So your lead, and you know, like I said, you could jam with it. Pretty easy song. So that's "Go Your Own Way" by Fleetwood Mac. So now you're going to see what your next lesson is going to be. Till next time. Later.